Hi guys, my name is Clement. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use trending hashtags to grow your brand on social media. Yeah, I know some persons will be hearing hashtag for the first time, or maybe you are hearing or seeing it for the first time. This right here is hashtag. Now, this right here is how you combine hashtags and words to market your brand. In fact, see the caption attached to this particular video and you will see more hashtags and how I combine them to push this video. Using trending hashtag is an effective way of increasing your brand visibility on social media, reach larger audience, and gain new followers. Yeah, I hear somebody is asking where are the places that you can use hashtag, right? So you can use hashtag on Twitter, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on LinkedIn. If you know any other place, please drop it in the comment section. We'll be glad to hear from you. Please watch this video to the end. I have something amazing that you will love to see. Okay, let's dive in. So I have 5 tips on how you can use trending hashtags to grow your brand visibility on social media. Are you ready? Stay with me. Number 1, research relevant hashtags. Use Twitter trend, Google trend, Hashtagify to identify trending hashtags that are relevant to your brand, to your industry, and to your niche. Look for hashtags that are popular, have high engagement, and align with your brand values and messaging. Number 2, create content around the trending hashtags. Once you have identified relevant hashtags, create content that incorporate those hashtags. These could include social media posts on Facebook, on Twitter, blog posts, videos on YouTube, on TikTok, video reels on Instagram, you name them. Make sure your content is high quality, visual appealing, and relevant to the hashtag. Number 3, use the hashtags in your post. When you publish content, use the trending hashtags which you have researched and created in your social media posts. This will help your content to show up in searches when these hashtags are used and also making it visible to a larger audience. Number 4, you can use trending hashtags to engage with the community. Participate in conversation and engage with users who are using the same hashtags. This will help you build new relationships with your target audience, gain new followers, and establish yourself as an authority in your industry. So here is our number 5, but before I drop it, please don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. So our number 5 is stay relevant. Keep up to date with the latest hashtags in your industry and niche. These will help you to stay relevant and engage with your target audience on social media. Kajiko? So tell us, what do you think about hashtags? Hashtags, of course, are a powerful tool you can use in growing your brand visibility on social media. Please do not forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Also, follow Marketconnectphc on all social media platforms, and also you can search